In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Razer headset to Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you all of the main ways in which you will be able to connect your Razer headset to your Nintendo Switch. You will be able to use it to hear all of the audio from the Switch and use the microphone as well if it is included. So first, if you would like to connect it over Bluetooth, all that you have to do is to turn on your Razer headset and put it in pairing mode. You should consult the manual for specific instructions, but usually it is going to be done by holding a specific button. On your Nintendo Switch, go to System Settings, and then in there you will be able to find Bluetooth audio, and as long as you enable it, you will be able to choose the Razer headset from the list if it is now in pairing mode, and you will be good to go. Ensure that your headset is fully charged and within the range of the Switch, and you will be able to use it wirelessly. Alternatively, if it doesn't have Bluetooth or you prefer to use it wired, then all that you have to do is connect it into one of the available ports on your Nintendo Switch. So if your Razer headset has a USB-C port, you can plug it into directly to the USB port on the Nintendo Switch. This is going to be by far the most straightforward method and ensure a stable connection. If your Razer headset has a USB-A port, you will need an adapter to plug it into the USB-C port. And of course, if it has a different connector, as long as you plug it into the headphone jack, you should be good to use it. So regardless of the method that you choose, wired, so USB-C, USB-A, or through the standard headphone jack connector, or wirelessly, you will be able to use your Razer headset on the Nintendo Switch. If you are experiencing audio issues, I recommend that you restart the Nintendo Switch and you try restarting your headset if possible. Maybe turn it off and then put it into pairing mode again and make sure that it is sufficiently charged if you are trying to use it wirelessly. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer headset to Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.